Let's see a real scientific test which proves just what Rhinoshield can take. The drop test you're about to see shows Gorilla Glass found in iPhones and all modern smartphones being hit by a golf ball-sized ball bearing. Based on the height the ball was dropped from, the protector allows the Gorilla Glass screen to survive at least 5 times higher impact energy with the Rhinoshield. Our special polymer technology spreads the impact energy, making Rhinoshield incredibly tough despite being only 3 times thicker than a sheet of paper.